Welcome. In front of me is an LG Q6, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now, before we get started, you will need to grab one of these, the SIM eject tool that comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. Or if you can't find it, you can always use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you got one of those, let's pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom left side of the device, as you can see where the pin is holding right now. Push the pin in. The tray will pop out just a tiny bit, but should be enough to just take it out. And as you can see on the tray, you have space for one SIM card and one SD card. So let's occupy each one of those, like so. Now keep in mind there is nothing holding those cards in, so if you flip the tray over, the cards will fall out. Same goes when you're inserting it in. If there's some kind of like, I don't know, uneven thing that is stopping you and just jumps up, and the cards can pop out a little bit, as you can see. So just try to keep them in place and do it carefully. And there we go. SIM card added. Apparently the phone needs to restart when you insert a SIM card, so it does it automatically, but I guess we need to wait for it to turn back on. So now that the device is back on, let's unlock it, and it should give us, there we go, the pin for the SIM card. So I need to confirm it. Code accepted. So the SIM card is obviously working, and SD card should be working as well. It looks like I just need to find it in the settings. So storage, and as you can see, SD card is working as well. So that is how you insert both SIM and SD into this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.